In this video, let me start with the exercise 4b. In that first one is multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. In that first question is the cube root of 0.000027 is here. Okay, so let's find out the cube root of this question. Then we will come back to the options here. Since the question is in a decimal part, let me convert to the fractions. In the decimal part, we are having 27 is the number. Let me write in the numerator, and for the denominator, see here in the decimal part how many zeros are there. No, we need to count, that is 0 including these digits only in the decimal part. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I'm just writing here 6 zeros. Okay, and in decimal point I'm going to write 1 here. So we found here 10 lakh. Now this cube root we need to find, right? Now 27 we can write 3 raised to the power 3. It means 3 when we will multiply 3 times, now we will get 27. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Now we will move to the denominator part. I'm making here triplet set here. Okay, from let me write first 1 here. From the each triplet I'm going to choose only 1 0. Okay, like here. Now this is 100 raised to the power 3. It means 100 when I'll multiply 3 times, now I'll get the answer, that is 10 like here. Both powers are same, so let me take it a common. 3 by 100 and put it in the bracket. Now I'm going to write here raised to the power 3. Now this cube root, how I can write? I can write 3 by 100 raised to the power 3, and this cube root I can write 1 by 3, right? So 3 get cancelled, so what left? 3 by 100. Now this fraction let me convert to the decimal. Numerator part I'm going to write as it is. Now see here, let me count the 0 digits. 1 2 1, nothing it is there. Let me place here 1 0, and in one place of 1 I'm going to write here decimal point. So we found the answer, that is 0.03 here. Now let's go back to the options. So here option A is the correct answer, 0.03. In that second question, the cube root of minus 0.064 is. In this question, the number which is having a minus, now let me take it outside first. So we will be having minus cube root of 0.064. Now the number which is in the decimal part, let me convert to the fraction. So in the decimal part I am having the number 64 which comes in the numerator. Now let me count the digits in the decimal part. 1 2 3. So then I'm going to write here 3 0, and in the place of decimal point I am writing here 1. Okay, now we need to find the cube root of 64. So since the number is an even number, let me start with the 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 left with 1, 2 6 is 12. Now 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and here 2 1 is 2. Now whether we got the prime numbers in the triplet or no? Okay, yes, we found the numbers which in the triplet. So this first set triplet I can write 2 raised to the power 3. Yes, we can write. And the second set also we can write 2 raised to the power 3, and here it is, I forgot to write minus cube root. Now by the same thing, cube root and this minus sign also. Now this triplet, make a, here we are having 3 zeros triplet set, take a 1 0 from that and one number here, that is 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, now all the powers are same. Let me take a common, so I'll get cube root of minus cube root of 2 into 2 by 10, put it in the bracket, and raised to the power 3. Okay, in the next step, minus 2 2 is 4 by 10 bracket raised to the power 3. This cube root I am just writing 1 by 3 like this. Now 3 get cancelled, so what left? Minus 4 by 10, and minus 4 by 10 I can write 0.4, right? For that option I'm having D, minus 0.4 here. Second one, find the cube roots of. In that we are having total 8 questions. Okay, now let's start doing the finding the cube roots of these number by prime factorization method. First number is cube root of 64, and 64 which is an even number. Let me start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 left with 1, 2 6 is 12 here. Now still it is even number. Let me continue with 2 only. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and 2 1 is 2. Now first let me check the whether the prime numbers we got in the triplets or no. Yes, we found in the triplet. Now from the each triplet we can write 2 raised to the power 3. I can write this right? 2 raised to the power 3. So here I am writing cube root this 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3. So powers are same. Now let me take it a common. So I'll get 2 into 2, put it in the bracket and raised to the power 3. Now I'll open this cube root here. Before that, 2 2s are 4 raised to the power 3, and I'm just opening this cube root. I'll get that is 1 by 3. Okay, now 3 3 get cancels. We found the answer, that is 4. Okay, therefore cube root of 64, answer we found, that is 4. Cube root of 343, let me start with the 7 here. Okay, now 7 4s are 28, 34 minus 28, left with the 6 here. So we are having here 63. Okay, 7 9s are 63. It means 7 49s are, we will get 343. Now in the next step, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Now check the prime numbers we got in the triplet. Yes, we found in the triplet, and this 7 we can write 7 raised to the power 3. Okay, now here cube root of 7 raised to the power 3, this I have written. Now let me open this cube root, so I can write 7 raised to the power 3 into, when I'll open this, I'll get 1 by 3. Now 3 3 get cancelled, so we found the answer 7. Therefore cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 729. So this 729 cube root we can find by the prime factorization method. Now here, to find out the prime number, let me add these digits here. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, right? So 18 comes in the 3's table. It means this number is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6, left with 1 here. We are having here 12, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9 here. Okay, now 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So again 9 comes in the 3's table, means this number is divided by 3. Okay, now 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Similarly 8 plus 1 9, it comes in again 3's table. 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6, left with a 2. Here we are having 21, 3 7s are 21. Next step, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and here 3 1s are 3. Now let's make a triplet set here for the prime numbers, and this we can write 3 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. That I am writing here in the cube root. Cube root 3 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. Both the powers are same. Let me take a common, so I'll get that is 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, now here is cube root. Now let me open this cube root. Before that, 3 3 is a 9 and it's raised to the power 3. When I'll open, I'll get 1 by 3 here. 3 3 get cancelled. Therefore we found cube root of 729 is 9. Question number 4, cube root of 1728, and the number is even number. Let me start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 8s are 16, 17 minus 16, left with the 1 here. So we are having 12 here. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, now 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2, left with 1. So we are having here 12, 2 6 are 12. Since the number is even number, let me continue with 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 1 is smaller than 2. Let me take here 0. We are having now 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 7s are 14. Now the number is 27. It comes in the 3's table. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and here 3 1s are 3. Now let me check whether the prime numbers we got in the triplet set or no. Yes, we found. And here triplet sets, I'm writing 2 raised to the power 3. How many 2's here? 3. Okay, like that, 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. And these base with powers I'm writing here in the cube root in the place of 1728. So I'll write 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3. Since all the powers are same, let me take a common. So I'll get 2 into 2 into 3, put it in a bracket, and raised to the power 3. Okay, now let me open this cube root. So I'll get 2 into 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Now 3 3 get cancelled. So what left? 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore cube root of 1728 is 12 here. Next question, cube root of 9261. See here, to check this 9261, 261. Now to check the which prime numbers comes in the first, so for that we need to add this digit. So when I'll add this digit, I'll get that is 18. So 18 comes in the 3's table, means this number is divided by 3. 3 3 is a 9, 2 is smaller than 3, so I'm taking here 0, so we are having 26 now. 2 8 is a 24, 26 minus 24 left with the 2 here, 2 7 is a 21. In the next step, 3 1 is a 3, 0, 3 2 is a 6, 8 minus 6 is left with a 2, 3 9 is a 27. 3 3 is a 9, 10 minus 3 left with 1, 3 4 is a 12, 3 3 is a 9. Now let me take a 7, 7 4 is a 28, 34 minus 28 left with the 6 here, we are having 63, 7 9 is a 63. Now in the next step, 7 7 is a 49 and 7 1 is a 7. Now let me make a triplet set here for the prime numbers. Okay, now this 3 I can write 3 raised to the power 3, because 3 numbers we are having 3 times, right? So similarly 7 raised to the power 3. So since I can write this is cube root of this 9261, I can write 3 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power 3. And here powers are same, let me take a common. So I'll get 3 into 7, put it in bracket and raised to the power 3, and here it is cube root. Now let me open the cube root for further calculation, and before that let me multiply these numbers within the bracket. 3 7s are, I'll get that is 21. This is 3 7s are 21. Okay, 21. Therefore cube root of 9261 answer we will get that is 21 here. Okay. Question number 6, cube root of 4096. Since the number is even number, let me start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 left with 1 here, we are having 16 here, 2 8s are 16. It means 2004 8s are, we will get 4096. Still the number is even number, let me continue with 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 left with 1 here, we are having 11, 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10 left with 1 here, 2 6 are 12 we will get now. Now let me continue with, this is 2, sorry, let me continue with 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 left with 1, so we are having here 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 left with 1, so we are having here 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now let's check the whether the prime number we got in the triplet or no. So here it is the first triplet set, second triplet set and third triplet set, and here it is the third triplet set. Now this set I am going to write 2 raised to the power 3. We are having 3 numbers of 2. Similarly 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3. Now here I am going to write in the place of 4096 this base with the exponent, okay, powers, or we can say cube root of 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3, right? Now all the powers are same, let me take a common. So what we will get in the base only 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, put it in the bracket and raised to the power 3 and its cube root. Okay, now let me open this cube root, so I'll get, so before that what we can do, we can just multiply this base. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 raised to the power 3 into, when I'll open this cube root I'll be having 1 by 3, this 3 3 get cancels, therefore cube root of 4096 is 16 here. Question number 7, cube root of 8000. Since the number is even number, let me start with the 2, or either we can start with the 5 also, but I'm going to start with the 2 now. 2 4s are 8, 0 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 0 0, and here 2 1s are 2, 0 0, 2 5s are 10, and here 2 more zeros. Now 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 left with 1, here we are having 10, 2 5s are 10, and here it is 0. Okay, still it is even number, let me continue with 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 left with here 10. Okay, I mean 1, after that we will be having a 10. 2 5s are 10, so we are having now 125, the number is ends with a 5, let me take a 5 here. 5 2s are 10 left with a 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, and here 5 1s are 5. Now we will make the prime numbers triplets set. Okay, and here we got the 3 triplet set, and here it is 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 3. Now therefore this I am writing cube root of 8000, I am writing 2 raised to the power 3 into this 2 raised to the power 3 into we are having here 5 raised to the power 3. Since all the powers are same, let me take a common. So I'll get cube root of 2 into 2 into 5, put it in the bracket and raised to the power 3. All the powers are same. That's why I have just taken the comma. In the next step, what we will do, we will open this cube root. Before that, we will just multiply the bases here. 2 2 is a 4, okay, 5 4 is a 20. So 20 raised to the power 3 into, when I'll open, I'll get 1 by 3. 3 3 get cancels. Therefore, cube root of 8000 is 20. Question number 8, cube root of 3375. Since that this number is not even number, so it doesn't comes in the 2's table. So to check whether it divides by 3, that for that reason I'm just adding these digits. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 12, 13, 13 plus 5 is I'll get 18. So 18 comes in the 3's table. It means this number is divided by 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 left with 1 here, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 3 3 is a 9, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9, it is left with a 2, 3 7s are 21 and left here 1. So 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 left with 1 here, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now let me take a 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, here left 2, 5 5s are 25. Next step, 5 5s are 25 and here 5 1s are 5. So let me check whether the prime numbers we got in the triplet set or no. Yes, we found, and here I can write 3 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, now here therefore I am writing 3375 as 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. Since the powers are same, let me take a common. So I'll be having cube root of 3 into 5, put it in the bracket and raised to the power 3. In the next step, let me open this cube root. So I'll be having 3 into 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, now this 3 get cancels. Okay, what left in the base? 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is 15.